guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a cleaning and decorate with me for fall, but it's a little different because I actually have to clean my room is where I need to be cleaning today, and then decorating, I'm going to be decorating my porch, which I'm super excited about it. I know I mentioned it in some of my videos before, so I'm really excited. So the first thing we're gonna start with is sweeping the porch. It is super dusty here in Arizona, so that is what I'm doing here.
It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you.
So I did make my own solution to clean the front door. It is some water and dish soap that I just put in a spray bottle and sprayed all over the door, so any kind of dirt or anything will just come off easy. So I wanted to make sure that I had like a clean front door before I put anything on it. And then the next solution I made was 1 cup baking soda, and then I just put a bunch of dish soap and some water, and that I poured all over the porch because there are some spots where like our mat was and like some more like muddy buildup, and I wanted to make sure I got that clean. And after 30 minutes, I ended up hosing it down and letting it dry. So now we went upstairs to my bedroom where we are going to clean this master bedroom. It is a hot mess, and the first thing I'm doing is making my bed. So in between washes, I always spray this lavender lemon verbena, and it's a essential oil spray that I actually got from Pike Place Market in Seattle, and it's from the Lavender Shop. I absolutely love it, and I spray it all over my blankets when I'm not washing them. I always find it if I make my bed first in my room, it just kind of sets the tone and I feel more motivated to actually clean my room.
I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you headed?
So the next thing I like to do is use my diffuser in my room. It smells amazing and just puts me in a happy place. And I am going to be using grapefruit and sweet orange. Orange always just makes me happy when I use that in my diffuser. So that is what we're using today. I just put 10 drops each inside of my diffuser and I let it run for like 6 hours. If you guys are interested in any of the products I do mention in my video, just go ahead and check my description box because I have my Amazon favorites where a lot of these things are there and just kind of easy for you to check prices and things like that.
We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts, faces filled with sadness. When words are said, we'll regret.
So I like to keep my essential oils here in this little organizer, and I think I got this from the Dollar Tree. They have a lot of little organizer options. So now we're gonna go ahead and clean up my side of the bed. It is a hot mess. I still have my suitcase out from last weekend's trip, but that's because I'm actually going to a bachelorette party tomorrow. So I just went ahead and kept my suitcase out, and I'm gonna obviously put new clothes in there and everything like that. And I'm really excited for you guys to see how I decorated the porch. I absolutely love it. I did a different approach than you guys have probably seen on anyone else's channel, but I did it for my husband and I did it for us, but I did it for him, and you guys will see, and I can't wait till you guys check it out.
Let our fears hold us.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My
So here was super dusty. As you guys can see, it needed to be cleaned. So I went ahead and took all of my stuff off, my little decor pieces, my books, everything, and dusted it.
And I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad.
So we did move the TV here in the dresser. We are gonna put it on the wall soon. So we did this for now so we can like watch Netflix when we can and everything. But yeah, so I'm just kind of cleaning up the dresser and getting it all nice and neat again.
Caught up in the flashing light, keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
So now everything is spick and span and clean, and now it's time to decorate. Woo woo! So the first thing I'm using are these command hooks. I will have everything linked down in the description box if you are interested. And this wreath I got from Hobby Lobby, which I did show in a fall decor haul recently, and I will link that above. I actually got all of these pieces from Hobby Lobby, so I'll make sure to link them down below.
Forever, wanna stay right here with you. Wanna stay right here with you.
So all of the pumpkins I actually got from a Super Target, and they were $5.99, so a really good deal.
But I need it so.
So we love football in our house, especially my husband, so just to bring a smile on his face, I decided to go with a football theme fall decor look, and that is what we did here, and I love it. It's so cute and fun, you guys.
So let us walk right into the forest, to the trees and the rising sun. It is something we can't outrun. I do whatever it takes to hold you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. It was super fun, and I absolutely love my front porch now. Go ahead and say hi down below in the comments. I will meet you guys there. And here is my comment of the day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.